In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change subject in Gmail reply. This is a handy move when a conversation shifts topics and you want the subject line to reflect the new focus. It helps your recipient spot the change quickly and makes the thread easier to find later. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. Once your inbox is up, open the email you want to respond to. You'll see the message content along with the usual controls. Click Reply to start your response. This opens the reply box right beneath the message, ready for you to type. Before you write anything, look for the small three-dot icon inside the reply area. Depending on your layout, it might appear as a vertical three-dot menu or a small arrow labeled More Options. Click that menu. From the options that appear, choose Edit Subject. Gmail will pop your reply into a full-size compose window, and you'll notice the subject field is now editable. This is exactly what you need. Keep in mind that when you change the subject in Gmail, your message typically starts a new conversation thread. That's normal and often desirable when the topic has changed. Click into the subject line and rewrite it so it clearly describes the new topic. Aim for something concise and specific. For example, instead of something vague like update, try a clear phrase such as project timeline update or invoice question for Q3. Avoid adding any personal or sensitive details in the subject, since it's often the first thing people see and it may be searchable. With the subject updated, move down to the message body and type your reply. Since changing the subject often creates a new thread, consider opening with a brief sentence that bridges the context, such as following up on our earlier conversation, and then move straight into the new details. Keep your message focused on the new subject so it's obvious why the change was made. Make sure your tone is clear and your key points are easy to scan. Before sending, take a moment to review. Confirm the subject accurately matches your message, check for typos, and make sure the recipients are correct. When everything looks right, click Send. That's it. You've opened Gmail, opened the email, clicked Reply, use the More Options menu to select Edit Subject, change the subject line, typed your message, and sent it. This small adjustment can make your email threads cleaner, more professional, and much easier to track as conversations evolve.